What are you doing? I'm trying to hide.
Hi everyone, welcome to my garage. I am so fortunate to have a little space as our studio and to work on some stuff, but most fortunate thing is this is like the only wall that is pretty much empty. Ta-da! So we're gonna see how we're gonna make over this little corner so then I can record more videos here or just have a really visually pleasing place.
Hi, what are we doing today?
So right now we're gonna design Michelle's beautiful, what do you call it? I forgot.
Wall!
What are you? Sorry. We're gonna design Michelle's wall, and we're gonna put another one on top. A little vine design. Yeah.
We are going to paint a block of wood that is red, white. And we're gonna have it mounted on the wall, and then we can have more little decorations up there. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how horrible it is what Babe just said. He thinks that this couch, because it's black and because we're recording, that's like a casting couch. So I'll find some kind of throw to wear, dress down this all black situation. I mean, I gotta work with what I have, you know? Let's get started!
She's even more equipped to be intimate. She's come a long way mentally.
Hey guys, right now our mission is to paint this red thing white so that it will go with my little wall that I'm working on. Let's do this.
Could be a slick boy you like. Only wishing for it cause it doesn't feel the same in real life.
It's gonna be great, plant.
Wake up from a dream wishing you could be a slick boy you like. Only wishing for it cause it doesn't feel the same in real life.
What's up, guys? This is John Villanueva talking to you live at Michelle's crib. Here we go, yo. You know, that's nice, right?
That's nice.
Like this angle.
And you can talk to the plants.
You know, this is my friend. During quarantine times, you need somebody to talk to, so we have a plant. His name
No
is...
cursing.
Oh, I'm sorry. Her name's Stacy.
Why is this Daisy?
Because, you know, it sounds like a couch thing. It's a couch name. All I need is Stacy's name.
Okay, bye. Bye.
So it's the next day and I had to get some rest, you know what I'm saying? And we have to put up the shelf, but I am not allowed to do it on my own, so you're gonna see someone else doing it. But we got these that just basically gonna go into the wall like this. The shelving is gonna rest on top of it. We'll see how it goes. So let's look at a couple things that I found that I figured would go on the shelf.
So this get lit candle. Probably got on sale somewhere. It was just sitting in my house. And this plants we've been curating. The vase, the little planter is from Daiso, and the succulent is like growing so happy. So it has babies all around. It's so cool. I promise I will take care of it when it's indoors now. I think I'm still going to put this in. For those of you who are a Star Wars fan, you probably know this is Yoda's motto: do or do not, there is no try. So, you know, just do it, and then you gotta do, just do it. Nah, whatever. And I found this mandala from my sister's room that she's no longer using. This will be good to take away the hardness of the black sofa. And I got some yellow pillows to go with it. Yellow and blue is very summery. I think that's really good match.
I'm able to do this because of the quarantine and I'm at home all the time, but when this is all over and we're back to work, I will still keep the good work, but don't take my word for it. Bye, have a great day guys.